The king of the creative cloud is stepping off his throne. Yes, Shantanu Narayen, 18 years at the helm of Adobe. He was beyond a CEO, he was the architect of the software world as me and you know it. Unfortunately, Wall Street wasn't celebrating. Adobe's stock dipped, investors got quite nervous, and they saw a vacuum at the top. And the timing of this move is quite a total cliffhanger. Before Narayan, Adobe was a box company. You bought a CD, you owned it. But what Narayan did was he killed the box. He forced everyone to adapt to a subscription model. The industry screamed, many users hated it, but Narayan didn't blink. He turned a 1 billion revenue stream into a 25 billion monster of a company. And from 3,000 employees, Adobe went to 30,000. He quite built a playground where both Hollywood and Instagram influencers both play. And he's the quiet prototype of an Indian CEO. He was the Hyderabad-born leader who paved the way for Satya and Sundar Pichai. He chose execution over ego, and that was quite his playbook throughout the journey. But throughout all of this is a massive catch, because the AI era is here and it's almost like a wrecking ball. For decades, Photoshop was a skill. You studied it, you mastered the layers, but what now? A prompt can do its job in mere 4 seconds. You've got apps like Midjourney who are the new challengers in the ring. Even for video, you've got Runway ML, which is coming for the video AI crown. So the narrative has shifted from how do I use the tool to how do I describe my dream. So Adobe is in a street fight to stay relevant. Of course, they've bet the house on its Firefly, its commercially safe AI, which comes with no corporate drama, no legal nightmares. It's the corporate-friendly version of the Wild West. Is it working? Of course, the numbers say yes, because AI revenue tripled for Adobe year over year, and video generation is up by 8 times. But let's look at the cracks in the armor. You've got the traditional stock media business that's down by $450 million. I mean, why buy a stock photo of a man in a suit where AI makes it for free? So essentially, Adobe is cannibalizing its own kingdom to survive. They're trading short-term cash for long-term survival. It's kind of a high-stakes pivot. Look, 99 of the Fortune 500 use Adobe. They powered the 2026 Super Bowl digital experience. But being the backbone isn't as glamorous as being the disruptor. Narayan now moves to the chairman role as the search for a new CEO begins, and whoever takes over is inheriting a turning point. Can a legacy giant like Adobe stay cool in a world of instant prompts? The foundation has always been solid, but the walls are quite high. And with AI, the weather's changing quite fast, because Adobe, with 18 years of growth, is now taking a giant leap into the unknown. What do you think? Is Adobe still the greatest of all time creative software, or is the AI era sort of leaving them behind? Drop a comment, let's talk. This is FrontPage by AIM Network. The narrative is shifting, my friends, so stay ahead of it, and always remember to think AI, think AIM.